हाय गाइस, गुड इवनिंग। मैं एक छोटा सा वीडियो बना रही हूँ जस्ट टू रिमाइंड यू कि लाइक एक हमारा जो इन्वेस्टमेंट चेकलिस्ट वर्कशॉप है, वी आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज द प्राइस फ्रॉम 4999 to 9999 by December 4th, so make sure you get your hands on it, as quickly as possible, and you don't regret buying, this, because ज़्यादा लोग बोलते हैं we really wanted to increase it by this month end only, which is November, but ज़्यादा लोग हमें मैसेज करके बोलने लगे कि like most of you all, the salaries come in the first week of December, so that is why. पर मैं इसलिए ये बोल रही हूँ, और एक चीज़ है कि लाइक व्हाई आई बिलीव द इन्वेस्टमेंट चेकलिस्ट वर्कशॉप इज द बेस्ट कोर्स आउट देयर. वॉट एवर you pay for your 2 years MBA, you will get the same kind of value, by getting the investment checklist workshop. And I think people who have gotten the workshop, वो उनका reviews देखो, whether it is on the website, whether it is on YouTube, whether it is on Twitter का comments, you will always see, right, कि like anybody who's gotten the workshop, they've only they've got only the good things to tell. Because a lot of times ऐसी किसी का मैं कमेंट्स देखती हूँ, जब भी मैं एक वीडियो बनाती हूँ, दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि लाइक मैं ग्रोथ में इतना एम्फोसिस क्यों देती हूँ. बिकॉज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन कमेंट दैट आई सी, व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट ग्रोथ कि लाइक आप तो कैश फ्लोज के बारे में बात ही नहीं करती हो. और व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट अ कंपनी, देयर इमीडिएट थिंग गोज टू कि लाइक कैश फ्लोज तो इसका नेगेटिव है, इन्वेंटरी तो इसका हाई है, रिसीवेबल तो इसका हाई है, एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू मेक दैट कनेक्शन कि लाइक हाउ ऑल ऑफ दीज मेट्रिक्स आर कनेक्टेड टू ग्रोथ. बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ना ये ऑपरेटिंग कैश फ्लोज को नेगेटिव देखते हैं, एंड देर सीइंग दैट द स्टॉक दैट इज देयर, ये तो ऊपर जाता ही रहा है, इट इज ओनली इंक्रीजिंग, एंड दे ओनली फोकस ऑन दिस वन मेट्रिक, एक कैश फ्लोज को लेके, एंड अल्टीमेटली दे मिस आउट ऑन दैट मल्टी bagger, because you're not able to connect growth and cash flows. When is cash flows good, it being positive is good, when it is bad. So all of this, multiple case scenario लेके आपको बहुत सारे examples देके, we've explained in that workshop. Not only that, so many times I also get queries कि like भाई इसका तो sales growth अच्छा है, but you will see that the stock is not moving. So what are the different aspect of sales growth? ये सब हमने volume and value का, what are the 4 types of cases, how does it affect the sales growth, each and every metric को हमने if you are, whether you are a beginner in the finance field, आपको equities में अगर आप beginner हो, या वरना you are someone who's had a lot of background over here, यहाँ पे you had a lot of formal education, this course is for everybody irrespective of who you are, whichever background you are, you will be able to understand it. Okay, it is the best course मैं बोल सकती हूँ आपको, you will not regret buying it. 18 hours का workshop है, and that is just filled with so much value and so many practical examples. इसलिए मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ, this is your last chance to get it at 4999. So make sure you get your hands on it before we hike up the prices to 9999. And उसके बाद आप मुझे आके email में मत बोलना कि like can we like lower the prices so you can purchase it at the old price. You've always seen we've increased the prices, and we've been able to increase the price since the time the workshop has happened. I think it's we started it with 999, I think, and a huge thank you to all the people at that time, because you believed us, right? At that time 999 में आपने लिया, and people have seen that, right? We are able to increase the price consistently over the period of time is because that is the worth and that is the value of the course. Anybody who's gotten the workshop, today when they see my video, they understand कि like मैं growth में इतना emphasis क्यों करती हूँ. They also see कि like when the result comes, they're able to analyze and do so quickly, कि like एक growth का number को देके they're able to get through all the metrics very very quickly. उनको con call, because I get so many messages also. One of the persons that I know, like in Twitter मुझे एक बंदे ने मैसेज किया था कि like they for the first time they attended a con call, and they understood what it is like to like go through the con call. So many messages I get like this, so I understand कि like the investment checklist workshop has literally changed how people look at the entire process of analyzing company, the entire investing ka process. So this is your sign, get the workshop before it's too late and before you have any more regrets. That's it, guys. Bye.